In this video, I will show how to use Atomy Evening 4 my Korean skincare routine. I use oil or cream-based cleanser before using a foam cleanser. Atomy Deep Cleanser not only removes makeup and cleans pores, it gives nutrients. Apply a deep cleanser with dry hands and on a dry face. With the fingertips, gently massage until cream becomes oily. Massage long enough to make sure your skin is really clean. Massage more the areas near nose where more blackheads or whiteheads are. Atomy Deep Cleanser keeps dull skin looking hydrated, clear, glowing, and more firmer. After enough massaging, rinse with warm water or wipe it off with a cotton pad. Foam cleanser. Make sure your hands are clean, not oily, to make rich foam. Put the cleanser and use some water to make greater foam. The foam is very rich, like whipping cream, so it can sweep away sebum and the dirt of your pores. It purifies your skin and pores and nourishes. Peeling gel, gentle gel type exfoliator. When you use it, use on dry hands, dry face, and in dry air. This is water soluble, so it doesn't really work well if you use it in shower room right after shower when the air is too wet. When you apply it, do not rub. Just apply, avoiding very near eyes and near a mouth. If your skin is too dry, use more. Use enough gel that you can massage it off smoothly. Leave the gel on your skin for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, gently rub it off. This gentle gel type exfoliator removes dead skin and cleans your pores without irritation. You can use once or twice a week. Then rinse with warm water. Now you can feel your skin is so smooth. Your skin is ready for nutrients absorbed better. Put more nutrients from my favorite Atomy skincare. Peel-off mask pack. Peel-off mask pack clarifies your skin and pores. It minimizes pores and your skin will become firmer and clearer. We put skincare before applying peel-off mask pack, so you can leave the mask pack as long and you can sleep through the night. Next morning, your skin will become so smooth and clear. When the mask pack is completely dry, you can peel it off from bottom to the top. With Atomy Evening 4 your skin will look hydrated, clear, glowing, and firmer. Thanks for watching video. I'm Hana. Before you leave, please give me thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Let's be more beautiful and healthier. See you next time. Bye bye.